Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're starting a story now. Open Instagram and swipe right to the story camera, then pick or capture the media you want. Once selected, tap the sticker icon at the top. This is where stickers live and why they matter. They add interactivity and context. Make sure permissions like location or mic are allowed if you plan to use music or live location stickers. Now press the sticker button and you'll see GIF, polls, mentions, music, and more. Pick one to begin placing it on screen. Once you've selected a sticker, drag it where you want. You can pinch to scale and rotate it for the right composition. You'll find multiple sticker types. Polls and quizzes collect responses, mention stickers tag accounts, GIF add motion, and music stickers attach a specific track and timestamp. Make edits inline, tap the sticker to switch styles or change text. After placement, check layering by long pressing to bring forward or send back. This controls visibility relative to other overlays. You're almost done. Tap your story or close friends to publish, and make sure to save a copy if you want an archive. Once live, you can add the story to highlights so stickers and interactions remain accessible. If a sticker's interactive features don't work for viewers, first confirm story privacy and that links are allowed. Then update the Instagram app and restart your phone. If problems persist, remove and re-add the sticker or recreate the story. That usually resolves transient glitches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.